In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to budget your paycheck in Notion. By the end, you'll have a simple, repeatable system ready to track every paycheck and see exactly where your money is going. First, head to the Notion website in your browser. Once you're there, look for the marketplace. This is where Notion collects templates created to solve specific problems, and it's the fastest way to get a working budgeting setup without building from scratch. Inside the marketplace, find the search bar and type paycheck tracker. This phrase will surface templates designed around budgeting each paycheck instead of a monthly total, which is especially helpful if your income varies or if you're paid weekly or bi-weekly. When the results load, browse briefly to find a template that clearly mentions tracking pay dates, income amounts, and allocations. A good template usually includes a database for entries, categories for expenses and savings, and clean views to make your balances easy to read. Select the template that best matches your needs. Click into it to preview how it's laid out, then click Add to bring it into your Notion workspace. After a moment, the page will be available for you to use. You're now ready for the most important part, tailoring it to your situation. Feel free to customize this page so it reflects how you actually budget. Start by renaming the page to something meaningful, like Paycheck Budget or the current year. Open the database and review its properties. If you see fields for pay date, net amount, category, and allocation, keep what helps and remove or rename what you won't use. Update the currency if needed. Replace any placeholder categories with your own, such as rent, utilities, groceries, transportation, savings, debt payments, and a small buffer for unexpected costs. If the template includes sample entries, either clear them out or duplicate one as a starting point and edit the details to match your next paycheck. Adjust the views so they work for you. A table view is great for data entry. A board or grouped view helps visualize where each dollar is going. You can also add a short notes area on the page to record what changed in a given pay period, like a bonus or a larger bill than usual. Keep your categories simple at first and update them as you go. Consistency beats complexity. That's it. You've opened Notion, found the paycheck tracker in the marketplace, added the template, and customized it to fit your life. Now you're ready to budget every paycheck with clarity and confidence.